Jeff. All right, Tesla earnings are out after the close today. Yahoo Finance senior auto correspondent Praz Subramanian has a preview. So Praz, I'm guessing Tesla's going to beat by 10 cents. Stock's going higher, right?
I mean, with the bulls, want that. But, yeah, I think it's going to be all about the the demand and production sort of outlook and story there. Big headline numbers here. We're looking at about 22.13 billion will be its highest ever quarterly record. On adjusted EPS of $1.02, GAAP net income of 3.2 billion. That would be near an all-time high. So a big quarter for them in the books. But we're all watching that. Can they hit that 1.4 million 2022 annual production kind of delivery outlook? You'd have to make 500,000 vehicles this in Q4, which is possible. But the question is there demand? There's concern about demand slowing in China and things like that. But other things we're going to watch. For me personally, I'm going to kind of watch about these Tesla Semi kind of outlook. Are they going to be able to hit that delivery, the December 1st delivery, kind of with Pepsi and what's coming up for that in 2023? And then also what's happening to the Cybertruck? Is that still on track for mid next year?
Okay, and so it's all about where we're also going to hear capacity being brought online at some of the new factories, whether that's Austin or Berlin. What do we expect there, and how many vehicles are they going to continue to produce at these factories?
So, last quarter they said that Fremont was about 450,000 vehicles a year. Shanghai, they say 850,000 vehicles a year install capacity, so that's already 1.3. The rest, Austin, Giga, Berlin, you get a couple 100,000 from each of those. Are still ramping up, so maybe you're at 1.5, 1.7, give or take. I think that's what the street's looking for, but they're going to have to hit about 2 million in 2023 to hit that 50% compound annual growth rate. So there's a long way to go, but I think the question also is how can they keep raising prices for their cars, and then also in this kind of slowing global macro environment, are those sales going to come down potentially?
Did we talk about Musk being on the call yet? Did we talk about that? We didn't.
He's going to be on the call.
Yeah, he's going to be on the call, which he hasn't been on the calls recently. And you have to wonder, the whole Twitter thing is still going on, but he hasn't really gotten a lot of questions directly about that. So you wonder, are Tesla analysts going to ask about that? I don't know.
They're scared. They're going to get tossed right off the call.
That's what I was going to say.
They posted a couple of the top institutional questions that they did on their they polled like a SurveyMonkey kind of thing, and also their top retail investor questions. I didn't see any on the what is Musk going to do with Twitter, et cetera, on there. Probably asked about stock sales, but I didn't see anything about his role in Twitter as of yet.
I don't get that. Yeah, I find that confusing.
We'll see how much of his time goes there. Praz, thanks so much. We know you're going to be tracking this after the close very closely.